Lots of heat gets generated while the car engine is running. In order to maintain the smooth functioning and to provide a longer life to the engine, it is necessary to operate it within the safe temperature limits. This is done by using the cooling system in the car engine. Coolant fluid is circulated inside the channels available in the cylinder block, which takes away the heat from cylinders. When engine starts, the temperature is not very high and the coolant passes through the thermostat and goes back to the engine block. Rotary pump keeps on circulating the coolant. Once the temperature of the coolant rises very high, then the thermostat valve closes the path to lower hose and pushes the hot coolant to flow towards the radiator via upper radiator hose. Radiator helps in dissipating the heat by passing the coolant via multiple channels and fins. When the heat sensor senses the temperature rising higher, then the fan of the radiator switches on and making the air pass across the radiator fins to speed up the cooling process of the coolant. This cooler coolant is directed towards the engine block via pump through lower radiator hose. When the pressure inside the radiator increases, then the radiator pressure cap opens up to release the pressure by allowing the coolant to fill in the coolant expansion tank. Once the pressure drops, then this coolant is sucked back inside the radiator, and if the coolant pressure does not drop, then it keeps flowing to the expansion tank and allowed to exit via coolant overflow hose.